Hello everyone, welcome to Doc Rogers' time-traveling wizard wonderful world of magic. I'm going to show you a magic trick right now involving the use of 3 cups and 3 miniature baseballs. Now this particular trick is one of the oldest recorded pieces of magic ever found in history. This trick is depicted on the Westcar Papyrus, which was found in a tomb in a pyramid in ancient Egypt. So you know the age of this trick is at least 50 or 100 years old. Now, on to the magic. Ladies and gentlemen, this trick involves the use of 3 copper cups and a magic wand. This trick also involves the use of 3 miniature baseballs, 1, 2, and 3. I will place the baseballs up underneath the cups and use the magic wand as a baseball bat to steal second and bat that ball down the first base line. So now there's none here, and there are 2 balls over here. I'll do that trick again. Again, I use the wand as a bat, steal second. This time, I bat it down the third baseline. So now we have 2 balls over here and none here. I place that baseball on top of that cup, place the other 2 cups up on top, snap my fingers, tap the cups, wave the magic wand. We had 2 men out, 1 on base, and now we have 3 men out with that last strike. I place the cups back down again. Take a ball, place it on top of the middle cup, place the other 2 cups up on top, snap my fingers, tap the cups, wave the magic wand, the ball appears down here below. I will do the trick again. I place the ball on top of the middle cup, place the other 2 cups up on top, snap my fingers, tap the cups, wave the magic wand, and again the ball appears down here below. I'll do it one final time. I take that last ball, place it on top of the middle cup. Place the other 2 cups up on top, snap my fingers, tap the cups, wave the magic wand. That ball does indeed vanish, and it appears down here below. That's 1, 2, 3 cups, and 1, 2, 3 baseballs. I'll take this baseball here, place it inside my hand, and make it vanish. And I'll take this baseball here, place it inside my hand, and make it vanish. And I take that last baseball there, place it inside my hand, and make it vanish. And all 3 baseballs appear back underneath the cups. I'll do this one final time, but to make it easier for you to follow, I'm going to get rid of this ball here. And I will get rid of this ball here, and I'll get rid of this ball. But when I tap this cup, you see this ball has already come back. I'm going to get rid of that ball and make it reappear just like that underneath the middle cup. And there we have, wait, that's a lot bigger than the other ones were. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a magic trick involving the use of 1, 2, 3 copper cups, and 1, 2, 3, 4 baseballs. Hey, 4 balls, take a walk. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Doc Rogers' version of the ancient cups and balls mystery. Ladies and gentlemen, a little bit of history about Doc Rogers. Believe it or not, I got my start in magic at the local public library. I would go to the librarian, I would ask her about books of magic tricks, and I learned everything I could. Well, now, in addition to these wonderful books that they also have videos, but I've not really noticed that many videos to teach you step by step how to do some of your very own magic tricks. So in talking with your librarian, we decided this would be a great idea to share some tricks that you can do through video. I'm going to teach you several different magic tricks using coins and cards and even a paper napkin and a pencil. Tricks that you can do using simple objects that you have around the house. And after I show you the tricks, I'll teach you how to do them. But I will give you a couple of moments to enable you to ask those that you don't want to know the secrets, ask them to leave the room so you can learn it in private, all right? Let's get started with some great magic.